I created this fully functional project management app with beautiful design, back-end logic, user authentication, AI functionality, database integration, and even more, all from a single prompt, no code, no developer, no designer. Sounds impossible, right? Well, believe me, it's not. You've probably tried different tools to manage your projects or workflows before, but let's be real. Most of them are either complicated, expensive, or just plain frustrating. You've spent countless hours trying to make sense of messy layouts, clunky designs, or tools that just don't fit your needs. But what if I told you that with Rocket, you could build a fully functional web app, a mobile app, a landing page, or anything in between, with beautiful design all from a single prompt? It's like having a full-stack team working with you in real time. A UX designer, a developer, and a product strategist, all right inside your browser. So without wasting our time, let's get right into it. First, head over to the Rocket website and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to start giving prompts. It's important to structure your prompt clearly. I recommend checking out Rocket's documentation to learn how to do this effectively. Here you'll be able to go over how it's best to structure your prompt to make sure that Rocket understands what you're trying to build. In short, we want to keep our prompts specific, simple, and descriptive. So let's enter our prompt in the prompt section. Meantime, it's working, let me tell you. You have different options to use Rocket. If you have a common use case, you can choose a template and start building faster. If you're a Figma designer, you're now also a developer. Simply import your Figma project link and Rocket will do the rest. This is the most exciting part, as we are doing exactly the same today. Now coming back to our app generation process, Rocket will first ask you to select a framework. You can also customize the framework to suit your needs, but for my case, I'll go with the default framework. After selecting the framework, Rocket will ask which screens you want to include. Of course, I'll go for all screens. As I want a full-fledged app with everything during the build, you'll be able to see the progress here in the chat. Once the generation is complete, you'll see the green tick here, meaning that it's been complete. And the best part? When you encounter an error, Rocket automatically analyzes it and fixes it for you. How cool is that? You don't need to write or edit any code, just a single click and the error is fixed. It will take a few seconds for Rocket to generate a preview. And once the preview is ready, we will be able to see our homepage. Just with a single prompt, you can see how responsive the layout is, a sleek dashboard that adapts perfectly to both desktop and mobile. It's honestly amazing how modern and clean the design looks right out of the box. Now, one of the coolest features Rocket offers is the visual editor. You can literally live edit your app right in front of you. For example, I'm going to change the name of my app right now. And next, I'll change the logo. All I have to do is attach the new logo screenshot and give Rocket a simple prompt. Change the logo to this file. And just like that, done within seconds. But that's not all. You can easily tweak colors, layouts, and design elements to perfectly fit your brand. Here, I wanted to change the background color of my active projects section. So I just clicked on it and adjusted the blue tone I liked. If you want to change the entire color scheme of your app, it's just as simple. Upload a screenshot and say, change my entire app color scheme according to this screenshot. Rocket instantly updates the whole app to match. Didn't like the change? No worries. Just click rollback and you're right back to your previous version. Now I'll ask Rocket to make my app color scheme like Trello, and there it is, done in seconds. It's super intuitive, requires zero code, and lets you customize the look of your app instantly. Before we move forward, let me show you one of Rocket's most powerful features, commands. Commands make your workflow faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. In Rocket, there are two main types of commands, / commands and context at commands. Let's start with / commands. These are quick shortcuts that trigger Rocket's built-in actions. So let's say I want to fix the layout. I simply type / fix layout issues, and Rocket cleans up all the layout inconsistencies across my app, both on web and mobile. You can even type / generate image to instantly create placeholder images or new visuals for your hero section. It's a huge time saver and keeps your editing super precise. Now, the @ commands are a bit different. They help you target specific files or folders. For instance, if I only want to darken the background on my team page, I'll type @ team and then tell Rocket, make background image darker. And just like that, only that section changes. Everything else stays untouched. These commands are game changers when you want full control without touching any code. They help you build faster, reduce revisions, and make every change intentional. Now, for you developers out there, Rocket makes it super easy to track changes with code diff features. This means you can see what's changed in your code, perfect for ensuring your app always works as expected. And if you want to take it a step further, you can also download the code and use it as your own, or even push it to GitHub for version control. How great is that? Now let's move on to the next step. We're going to connect to Supabase for user authentication. Just click on Connect and enter your details. But that's not all. If your project involves payments, you can integrate Stripe for subscriptions, Twilio for SMS notifications, and even use Google Analytics for tracking app performance. And that's just the beginning. Rocket supports many more integrations to enhance your app. Now that we're set up, let's move on to the sign-up page. You'll have the option to choose your role: admin, manager, or team member first. I'll log in as a manager. So let's go ahead and choose that. This allows me to manage tasks, track progress, and even filter tasks by their status: to do, in progress, or completed. As a manager, I also have the ability to add and edit sprints, ensuring that our team stays focused on short-term milestones. Honestly, I really love this tool. It's helped me so much I can easily control the flow of the project, assign tasks, and ensure everything stays on track with minimal effort. Now we're pretty much ready. The app is ready to roll. So what do you do once you're all set? How do you publish your app? Well, it's super easy. Just click the launch button, and that's it. You can publish directly to Netlify. Let's link our account and publish the app so other users can access it via a link. After clicking and completing the process, you'll see your app is live and published, and there you have it. In just 10 minutes, I created a fully functional project management app with Rocket, clean dashboard, responsive layout, and all the features a team needs to manage tasks and collaborate effectively. If you're ready to build your own app, click the link in the description and start building with Rocket today.